Hi there friends, Chris is the only man for video. Yes, this is another Grandpa video, and this one is called Grandpa Destroys Microwave. Okay, let's check it out,
Damn, those guys. What you gonna damn, you gonna like this for? I bought a thermos, they put coffee in. A thermos for what? To put my coffee for a trip. Okay, we have to discuss this trip up to Philadelphia, huh? Yeah, we need to talk about it. We gotta figure the road. Wait, let me talk! We gotta go, you do it on Google, right? Yep. And you go maps and you draw, what? We don't need to drive. What about snow? We don't need to drive. Yeah, we don't need to drive. That's why, because of snow and stuff. We can't drive to Philadelphia. I'm driving to Philadelphia, Michael, because it's decided. Seriously, let's just fly. Fly! Michael, goddamn it! Now listen to me! I am not flying!
Ooh.
They just lost goddamn plane yesterday! They ain't getting my big ass no goddamn plane! You have to fly.
Well, it's like he's seeing Final Destination and he's taking... It looks like he's seen Final Destination and got freaked out or something.
I am not ready for the goddamn motion! You understand me? That's everything. I am not ready for the goddamn field! Like goddamn, what's that goddamn guy's name? Was he battling? Yeah, I got vision, man. This ain't no bomb. I need a goddamn plane falling. I'm in it. I don't care what. No, what? I'm flying. I'm not dealing with this no more. I am not flying. I've already bought the ticket. What? We're flying to Philadelphia. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
He's simple on this video, jeez.
Oh, hell no. Mario, no. I almost spent $1,000 in tickets. We get your money back, bitch. What's fine? That's all there is to it, or you're not going. Chill out, dude.
So he's gonna break his microwave for that?
Okay, dude, you need to chill out sometime. You're flying. You. Okay, calm the hell down. It's just a plane. Get your money back, Michael. Want to go to Royal Rumble? Yeah, if you're flying, or you're not going.
Yeah, don't do that. The light's on. Oh, it's off now. Oh my god.
You understand it? You fly!
You wanna fly, Megan?
Fuck!
Touching? No, they don't like it either.
Damn it! Dude, where we got fucking the chicken and dumplings? Enough. Don't do anything else. I'm scared. You was on the closet. Jesus Christ, dude. Let everybody in microwave fly. You just flew, but not me. Well, we're going to talk about this further. Yeah, we're going to have to. The video talk is over.
Wow.
The NFL season will...
Oh, fuck you. You guys like flying, that's all there is to it. Yeah. Megan, Chauncey, you want to fly with Grandpa? Megan, I didn't mean it that way, honey. Oh. Yeah. I meant like a plane, Megan. Yeah. That was a funny video. I don't like flying either, so yeah. Next video will be a video on the stuff I made recently. Some 3 props that I made. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out. See you guys next video. In that video. I'll meet you guys over there. Peace out. And yeah. Boys, pleasure. Go bye.